Look at there, first day of spring and snow on the ground. And the water pump's cold. Stuck. And the sink didn't drain. Oh well, I'm going to an auction sale today. Maybe I can get something else to put in the front yard. There's a tractor back here. I might take a look at that. Some old lawnmowers, lift-alls, a bunch of skid loaders, and a whole bunch of lawnmowers. And there's another one. There's all them skid loaders. There you go.
Hi.
Compact tractors. Most of these, probably 90% of stuff, come from K&L Equipment over in Fort Recovery. Kenny always sends us a good line of stuff to sell every spring, and normally we've always done it somewhere else, but we decided to bring it here and do it here today. So everything you see here today is for sale. I will tell you this, we do have live internet bidding, so they're going to pay just like you. We also have about 5 or 6 guys on the phone, and we have probably 5 or 6 or 7 guys that have left absentee bids. I've asked 2 or 3 people like Craig Laird. Raise your hand, Craig. If you see him bidding, he's going to pay just like anybody else. He is carrying some absentee bids for us. So just know that. My son Hal right here, which is an auctioneer, and we'll be trading back and forth off the microphone.
Hey, Hal.
He's carrying a pocket full of absentee bids where guys come in. I think we had like 70 or 80 people drive through last night and left absentee bids, and also on 30.
Oh boy.
Okay, making sure.
Yeah, we'll see.
85, Scott, do you want to get 85? I'm going to get 85, but I'm going to get 85, 100. Out of the 100, now 10. Out of the 100, out of the 10, 10 to bid. Out of the 100, out of the 10, now 10, now 10, 10 to bid. Out of the 100, out of the 10, 10, 110. Out of the 100, out of the 110, 110. You bought it for $100, Rick. Number 93 is the buyer. 9,000. I'm a 2 down, that would get 221. How about a 2 down, that would get 21? Did he say $2 grand right here? Is that what you said? I'm 1,000 now, that would get 2,000, 2,021. I'm a 2 down, that would get 21. I'm a 21, that would get 21. Who did bid 21? Now 2. I'm a 22, 23. How about a 22, 23? Now 4. How about a 24? That would get 3. Did you get 40? I'm get 4 where? I'm a 23, 24, 24. That would get 24. 100. That would get 300. That would get 4. Now 5. Now 600. I'm a 2600. Out of it get 5. Now 6. 600. That would get now 26. Holding the kid. How? I'm a 2600. That would get 26. 600. That would get 25. Now 6. 600. That would get now 7. Now 7. Look at it again. Did you get 27? Did you get 27? I'm a 2600. Out of it get 7. 7 to bid. I'm a 2600. Out of it get 7. Now 7. Now 7. 7 to bid. Now 27. Dave, you want in there? I'm a 2600. Out of it get 7. 7 to bid. It is a better mower than that. When I told you that I thought this was probably one of the best mowers here, this is it. 2700. I'm 2600 straight out, Hal, with the holding the young girl. I'm a 27. I'm a 2600. Other get now 7. I'm a 27 now 7. Dave, you want in? I'm a 27 28. I'm at 800. Other get 8. 8 to bid. I'm a 28. Other get 800. Other get 8. Do you want to get 8? I'm at 800. Out of the 9. I'm a 29 now 9. I'm a 3 down. Other get 3. Did you get 3? I'm a 29 now 3. 3 to bid. I'm a 29. Other get 3 down. Other get 3 now 3. I'm a 3. Where you been? $3,000. I'm a 29 now 3. 3 to bid. I'm a 3 down. Other get 3. Did you get 3 down? Other get 3. 29 now 3. I'm a 3 down. Other get 3. Did you get 29 3? Do you want to do it? Sold it $2,900. Sold it for $2,900. Bid number is 60. Bid number 60. Now you got a simplicity. I'm a 17 and a half. I'm a 17 and a half now 2. I'm a 2 down. Did you get 2 down? Did you get 18? I'm a 17 and a half. Did you get 18? I'm an 18 and 19. 19. Did you get 2 down? Did you get 2? 21. I'm a 2 down. Did you get 21? I'm a 21. 1 to bid. I'm a 21. Now 22. 2 to bid. Look at it. Did you get 22? Did you get 2? Did you get 3? Now 3. I'm a 23. 24. 25. I'm a 25. Did you get 2500? Did you get 600? Did you get 27? Did you get 800? Did you get 900? Did you get 3 down? Did you get 3? I'm a 29 now 3. Did you bid? I'm a 29. I'm right here in the blue coveralls at 2900 with the glasses right there, holding the paper right there. You got him. I'm 2900 right there. 29. I'm a 29. I'm a 28. 29. I'm a 28. How? He's got to be straight ahead. It's got to be 29. I got 28 in the blue coveralls. 29. I'm a 28. 29. I'm a 20. You crossed on me there. 29. I'm a 28. 29. I'm a 29. That would get 8. Now 9. I'm a 29. That would get 800. That would get 2900. That would get 29. Do you want to do it? Are we all getting together? You guys are all with me? Okay. Sold it $2,800. Sold $2,800. now 500, other 600, other 700, other 6 and a half, 7. I'm a 7 now, 7 a bid now, 8, 800, other 800, other 8, you want to get 800. I'm a 7 half now, 8 a bid. I'm a 7 half, can't wear them John Deere's out. 800, other 7 half, 8. I'm at 800, other 8 a bid. I'm a 7 half, 8, 800, other 800. I'm at 8 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half. 8 and a half. Hang up on him, Hal. Let's go. 8 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half. 8 that boy. I'm at 800 and a half. I'm at 800 and a half now. 900, other 900, other 900, you want to get 900, other 900, other 900. You want to get 875. I'm at 850, 875. I'm at 8 and a half. 875. You want to get 75. Other 850, 875. You want to get 75. Other 850, 875. Sold it. $850. $850. Is that 48?
Yeah.
Car bidder number 48. 100 and a quarter. Other 1100 and a quarter. Do you want to get 11 and a quarter? Sold it. $1,100. 53 the buyer. 53. Yes, sir.
710.
710 on the hours. It's got the tilt wheel, got it all. Oh my, take it right there. Hydrostatic right here. Very, very nice. Anybody get now by the next night here? Anybody get now by it here? And somebody get 3,000. I'm a 3,000. Anybody get $3,000. 12 and a half. I'm a 12 and a half. 15. Anybody get 15. 17 and a half. Anybody get 17 and a half. You talk about a mower. I'm a 17 and a half now too. I'm a 2 down. I'm ahead of you, Craig. 2 down. Anybody get 22 and a half. I'm a 2 down. Anybody get 22 and a half. I'm a 22, 2 and a half. Anybody get 22 and a half. Anybody get 22 and a half. 22 and a half. I'm a 22 and a half. 25. I'm a 25. Anybody get 25. I'm a 22 and a half. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 25. I'm a 25. 5 to bid. I'm a 25. Get 23. Is that what you're saying? 23. Now 4. I'm a 24. 4 to bid. Now 5. Now 6. Anybody get 27. I'm a 27. Now 8. Now 9. I'm a 29. Anybody get 3 down. Anybody get 3. I'm a 3 down. 32 and a half. I'm a 3 down. Anybody get 32 and a half. 35. I'm a 35. You talk about a mower. Do you want to get 33, sir? I'm a 32 and a half. 33. I'm a 32 and a half. 33. I'm a 32 and a half. Anybody get 33. Anybody get 300. I'm a 33. 33. I'm a 32 and a half. Now 3. I'm a 33. Anybody get 300. Anybody get 33. Do you want to do it? I'm a 32 and a half. 33. I'm a 32 and a half. 33. Do you want to get 300? Anybody get 32 and a half. Anybody get 300. Anybody get 33. Do you want to get 33? Sold it. 32 and a half. 32, 48. 32, 50. Number 48 to buy. I'm at 45, 47. I did even get 47 and a half. Now 5,000. I'm at 5,000. I did get 5 is 48. Half yet. I did get 48. I did get 80. I did get 48. Now 5. I'm at 5,000. I did get 5. 5 bid. I'm at 5,000. I did get 5. I did get 5,000. I did get 5. 5,000. Thank you. You're out, Craig. 552 and a half. I'm at 52 and a half. Hal, I'm right here behind you. 5,000. I did get 52 and a half. 52 and a half. 55. I'm at 55. 5 bid. I'm at 55. Got to be 55, Craig. 55. I did get 55. I did get 5. How can we get it? I did get 55. 5. I'm at 55.
Got a bigger motor than a real tractor.
Now 5. Now 7 and a half. 57 and a half. I'm at 55. 57 and a half. I'm at 55. 57 and a half. I'm at 7 at 80. 7 and a half. 5. 7 and a half. I'm at 55. 57 and a half. I'm at 55. 57 and a half. 7 and a half. 56. Now 7. I'm at 57. Now 7. Now 8. Now 9. 59. You're out again. 59. I'm at $8.09. 59. I'm at $8.09. I'm at 58. 59. I'm at $8.09. I'm at 59. Everybody get 8. Now 9. Tell him I didn't go to bed till 1:30 last night. Try to come a little quicker. 59. I'm at 59. I'm at $8.09. I'm at 59. Everybody get 59. I'm at 59. I'm at $8.09. I'm at 59. 59. I'm at $8.09. 59. Everybody get 80. Everybody get 50. Now 6,000. 6,000. Now 6,000. Now 62 and a half. I'm at 62. I knew somebody was sleeping. 62 and a half. $6,000. 2 and a half. I'm at 62. 2 and a half. I'm at 62. Everybody get 2 and a half. Here we go. 62. 2 and a half. Round and third. I'm at 62 and a half. Sold it. $6,000. Sold it. $6,000. I need his number, Hal. 108 the buyer. 108. Hey, Hal. Do you want to do it? Sold it. Your way. 17 and a half. 79. 79. Now we got a diesel, right? 721 diesel, correct?
Yeah.
721 diesel grasshopper. Oh my, take it right here. Tell me the lot number. What's going on, my friend?
17.
Oh.
Well, no, lot internet number.
70.
70. Number 70. All right, got a grasshopper diesel. Then everybody get $5,000. I'm a 5 down. Then everybody get 5, get 2. I'm a 2 down. Then everybody get 2. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 down. Then everybody get 2. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 2,000. I'm a 2 down. $1,000. 12 and a half. I'm a down. Then everybody get 12 and a half. 15. 17. Half an hour 2. I'm a 2 down. $22 and a half. Everybody get 22 and a half. She's a diesel. I'm a 22 and a half. I'm a 21. I'm a $1.21. I'm a 21. 21. Now 2. I'm a 22. 2 to bid. Right behind you, Hal. 22. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 21. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 1, 2. I'm a 21, 22, 20, 22, now 3. I'm a 22, 3. I'm a 23, 24. I'm a 24, 25. I'm a 25, 26, 27. I'm a 27, now 80, 7. Now 8, 80, 8 where? I'm at 800, I'm at 28. I'm a 27, now 80, 800, 800, 28, 80, 800, 800, 7, 8 where? buyer. I'm at 800, everybody get 27, 28. I'm at 27, everybody get 800, everybody get 27, everybody get 800, everybody get 27. Now wait, do you want to do it? 28. Sold it. $2,700. What's the number? 149. 149.
Hey, you see the one he bought for his son?
I did. Stop right there, Marianne. I'll sell the rest of the mowers from right here, okay? All right.
71.
71. All right, got another diesel, right? Is this the diesel? 721D. 721D. Somebody get 5,000. Everybody get 5,000. Everybody get $2,000. 22 and a half. I'm a 2 down. Everybody get 22. 2 and a half. I'm a 22. Everybody get 21. I'm at $1 now. 21. 22. I'm a 22. 23. I'm a 23. Everybody get 400. Everybody get 2,500. Everybody get 7 and a half. I'm a 27 and a half. I'm a $2,600. Do you want to do it? I'm a $2,600 now. 7. Now 7. 7. Everybody get 9. I'm a 29. Everybody get 29. Now 3. I'm a 3 down. Everybody get 3. 30 bid. I'm a 3 down. Everybody get 29. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3,000. I'm a 29 now. 3. 30 bid. I'm a 29. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 2,900. Everybody get. Here's a good mower, guys. I do believe $3,000. She's a diesel. She'll run forever. I'm a 3,000. Everybody get 3. 30 bid. I'm a 29. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 29. Everybody get 3,000. Everybody get 3. Do you want to get 3? Sold it. $2,900. $2,900. 42.
42? Yeah.
42. 42. Now we have an 8,000. Everybody gets 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 8. 3,000. Thank you. 35. I'm at 35. Now 4. 45. I'm at 45. 46. Now 7. Now 8. Now 9. Frishy. I'm at 49. Everybody get 49. Now 5. 52 and a half. I'm at 52. Everybody get 2 and a half. 55 over here. Frishy. 55. I'm at 55. I'm at 80. Everybody get 55. I'm at 52 and a half. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 55. I'm at 55.
Rough for $400.
Now 5. 53. I'm at 3. Everybody get 3. Everybody get 3. Everybody get 2 and a half. Everybody get 3. Now 4. I'm at 54. 4. Now 5. I'm at 55. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 4. Now 5. I'm at 55. Everybody get 4. 5. I'm at 54. 55. I'm at 50. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 55. I'm at 55. I'm at 54. 55. I'm at 50. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 55. I'm at 54. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 55. I'm at 54. 55. I'm at 500. Everybody get 400. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 55. I'm at 54. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 55. Everybody get 40. Everybody get 5. Where? 56. Everybody get 56. 55. 56. 57. I'm at 57. Now 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 57. Now everybody get 700. Everybody get 7. Now 7. Now 7. What are you guys looking for on that tractor? Oh, okay, 57. I don't know. 57. I was going to try to help you. 57. I'm at 7 now. 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 57. Now everybody get 600. Everybody get 700. Everybody get 57. Now everybody get 700. Everybody get 57 on the TC 29. 57. 57. Internet. 57. Gotta go. Sold it. $5,600. What's your number, partner?
71.
What is it? 71. Number 71. All right, now you got a T18D with a mower deck. There's not very many hours. Very, very nice little tractor. All right, right here. Is anybody getting out? $4,000, 42 and a half. I'm at 42 and a half, 45, 7 and a half, 5,000. I'm at 52 and a half, 55. I'm at 55, 7 and a half, now 6,000. I'm at 6,000, now 2 and a half, 5. I'm at 65, everybody get 65. What a nice tractor, 65. I'm at 62 and a half, 5. I'm at everybody get 65, 3, now 5. I'm at 65, I'm at 64. I'm at 3, everybody get 400, everybody get 64. I'm at 3, everybody get 400. Everybody get 40, everybody get 3, 4. I'm at 64, 40 bid. I'm at 63, everybody get 400, everybody get 300, everybody get 400, everybody get 64. I'm at 63, 4. I'm at 63, now do you want to get 440 bid? I'm at 64, everybody get 300, everybody get 400, everybody get 64. Do you want to get 3, 4? I'm at 63, now 440 bid. I'm at 63, everybody get 400, everybody get 400, everybody get 300, everybody get 64. Anybody else? Sold it, $6,300, 53 the buyer, 53. Now we're up to the TC34, correct?
Yeah.
New Holland, very, very nice tractor. It's lot 48, right? Lot 48. Right here. And somebody get 11.5. I'm at 11.5. How to bid? $10,000. I'm at 7 pound. Anybody get $7,000? Thank you. 75. I'm at 7 pound. Anybody get 75. I'm at 75. Anybody get 75. Now wait. I'm at 8 pound. Anybody get 80. Anybody get 85. Anybody get 9. Get 9. 79. How? I'm at 85 now. 9. I'm at 9 pound. Breachy. There's a good tractor. 9,000. I'm at 9 pound. Anybody get 9. I'm at 8. Anybody get. You want to get 86? I'm at 85. 86. 600. Everybody get 85. 8600. Everybody get 80. I've already got 85. I'm ahead of you. 8600. The tractor's worth the money. 8600. You want it? 8600. I'm at 86. 600. 85. 86. Dave Carruthers. Dave Carruthers. You need to look in there. 8600. There's a nice tractor. I'm at 85. 86. 600. Everybody get 85. 86. Did you say it? 86. I'm at 85. 86. 85. 8600. Everybody get 85. Everybody get 8600. Everybody get 85. 86. Tractor's very, very nice. Look at the hoods on it. Look at it. I mean, that was. I don't want to coach and beg here, but I want to try to help your yourself on these. I'm telling you what, you talk about a good one, a 34 TC. I ought to be up over 10 grand, 8,600. I'm at 85, 86, 85, 8,600. Other with a 85, 8,600. I'm at 85, 86. Do you want it? 8,600. Other with a now 600. Other with a 85, 600. Other with a 8,600. I'm at 85, 86, 600. Other with a 85, 8,600. Other with a 85, 8,600. I'm at 85, 8,600. Other with a 85, 8,600. Other with a 85, 8,600. Other with a 85, 8,600. $8,500. It's number 69, Hal. 69. Now, take it again. About an extra right there. TC 33.
One more down there.
Lot 49 on the internet. Now, take it again. About an extra right there. Somebody get 10 grand. I'm going to sit down that everybody get 10 to bid. I'm going to sit down that everybody get 10. Give 10. I'm going to sit down that everybody get 10. Everybody get 10,000. I'm going to sit down that everybody get 10 to bid. I'm going to sit down that everybody get 10. Give 5. Everybody get 5,000. Everybody get 5,000. Everybody get 6,000. Everybody get 6,000. I'm going to buy down that everybody get 55. Thank you. Now 6,000. I'm at 6,000. Everybody get 6. Now 6. Everybody get 6,000. Everybody get now 5. I'm at 65 out of it. I'm at 65. Everybody get 65. Everybody get now 65. Now 7. Everybody get 67. Everybody get 67. Now 8. I'm at 8 and 9. I'm at 69. Now 7.
Even got front weights on it.
Now 7. Now 7 times. Everybody get 7. Now do you want to do 7,000?
Better sell them separate, hadn't it?
Now 7. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Now 7. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. I'm at 69. Now 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Do you want to get 7? I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 9. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 7,000. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get $6,900. How in the world do you say no at $7,000 on a little compact tractor like that? 7,000. I'm at 69. Now 7. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Now 7. Now 7 pounds. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 9. Everybody get 7 where? I'm at 69. Now 7. 7 pounds. Everybody get 7 pounds. Everybody get 69. Now 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Fellas, it's going to sell when we're done. 7,000. I'm at 69. Now 7. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Now 7. Now 7. 7 to bid. Now 7,000. I'm at 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. 7 to bid. I'm at 69. Now 7 pounds. Everybody get 7. Do you want to do it? 7,000. You want in there on that little TC 33 at 7,000. I'm at 69 and now 7. Sold it $6,900. It's 39. Al, number 39. Pounds that everybody get 17. I'm at 17. Now 18,000. I'm at 18, 19. I'm at 19 pounds that everybody get 19. 19 pounds that everybody get 19 pounds that everybody get 19. Do you want to do it? I'm at 19 pounds that everybody get 19. 19 pounds that everybody get 20,000. I'm at 20 pounds that everybody get 20. 20 to bid. I'm at 19 now 20. 20, 21. I'm at 21 that everybody get 21. I'm at 21 that everybody get 21,000. I'm at 21 pounds. Everybody get 20, you want to get 20,005. I'm a 20 pound, everybody get 20 pound 5. I'm a 20 pound, everybody get 5. 21, Donnie, 21, everybody get 21, everybody get 20 pound. Think what you can do with that. I'm a 21, I'm a 20 pound 5. 21, I'm a 21 pound, everybody get 21. I'm a 20 pound 5. 21,000. I'm a 21 pound, everybody get 21. I'm a 21 pound, everybody get 21 pound, everybody get 21 pound, everybody get 21,000. I'm a 21 pound, everybody get 21 pound, everybody get 21,000. Sold it, 20,005, 20,005, 158 the buyer, 158.
Going to Broadway.
Going to Broadway, like 19,000. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 19. I'm at 18 pounds, everybody get 19. 19 pounds, everybody get 19 pounds, everybody got to be 19, Hal. I'm at 19, 18, 7.5, 19,000. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 19. 19 pounds, everybody get 19. 19 pounds, everybody get 19. Everybody get 19 pounds, everybody get now 2.5. I'm at 19, 2, 2.5. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 2, 2.5. 19, 2.5. You got to be 2.5. I'm at 19 now, 2, 2.5. I'm at 2.5. Everybody get 2.5. Everybody get 19. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 2.5. Everybody get 250. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 2, 2.5. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 2, 2.5. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 2, everybody get 19, 2.5. I'm at 19, 2, 2.5. I'm at 19 pounds, everybody get 2, everybody get 2.5. Everybody get 19 pounds, everybody get 2, 250. Anybody else? Sold it, $19,000. Number 40, number 40. Going to Somerset, Ohio. Number 40, Somerset, Ohio. John Wilson bought it. I'm going to get his checkbook today.
It's Crystal's birthday.
Huh?
It's Crystal's birthday today. That was her birthday.
Oh, that's her birthday present. That's kind of like my tree saw for my anniversary.
Yep.
All right, right here. I bought a tree saw. It was on my anniversary. I told my wife, I said, you got a tree saw for your anniversary. Lot 40 right here. Hours. This machine runs, does everything it's supposed to do. Hours are unknown on it. Glow plugs, everything worked. All right, somebody get 15,000. I'm at 15 pounds. Everybody get 15. Get 10. I'm at 10 pounds. Everybody get... That's all. I'm at 10 pounds, everybody get 10. I'm at 10 pounds, everybody get 7,000. I'm at 7 pounds, everybody get 5,000. Thank you. Now 6,000, 7,000. I'm at 7 pounds, everybody get 8 pounds, everybody get 9 pounds, everybody get 9 pounds, everybody get 9 pounds, everybody get 8, everybody get 9,000. I'm at 9 pounds, everybody get 85, 80 pounds, everybody get 85. Now 9. I'm at 9 pounds, everybody get 9 pounds, everybody get 9, everybody get 9,000. It actually runs really good, guys. $9,000. I'm called 9,095, 95, Dave. I'm at 95, 95. I'm at 95, everybody get 95. Now 10. I'm at 10 pounds, everybody get 10. 10 to bid. I'm a $10,000. I'm a 95 now 10. 97 and a half. Does he want to do that? 97 and a half. 97 and a half. I'm a 97 and a half. I'm a 95, 97 and a half. 97, 95, 97 and a half. I'm a 95, 97 and a half. I'm going to let it 97, 95, 97, 750. I'm a 95, 97 and a half. I'm a 95, 97, 97, 7 and a half. 95, 750. You got her bought, Dave. $9,500. 95 the buyer. 9,500 to 95. 800 and some hours. 19,520. I'm a 20 pound. 20 bid. 19,7 and a half. Now 20, Donnie. Now 20 pound. 20,000 2 and a half. I'm a 20 pound. 250. I'm a 20 pound. 2 and a half. Did you say it? 20. Did you say it? 20,000 2 and a half. 5. 20,005. Nice. 800 some hours. 20,005. I'm a 20 pound. 2 and a half. 20 pound. 5. Donnie, you've been going to these things. You know what these things are bringing. They're high dollar right now. 20,005. I'm a 20 pound. 2 and a half. 20 pound. 5.
You want to do it, Donnie?
20,005. I'm a 20 pound. 5 to bid. I'm a 20 pound. 500. 20,003. You want to do that? 20,000 2 and a half.
One more time.
I'm a 20 pound. 2 and a half. 20 pound. 300. 20 pound. 2 and a half. 300.
You want to insert?
One in. Anybody else? Sold it. 20,250. 53, right? 53, right? Yeah, 53. Okay, good. Good. Oh, Marion.
That must have been on a farm someplace.
Right.
These others been the salt mines, yeah.
This is the hand controls, right, Hal? Hand controls. Yeah, hand controls right here. It's an L220. Right. What's it got? Like 4,500 hours on it, Hal? Something like that. Right here. Everything works. Glow plugs work. Right. Hand controls right here. Somebody get 20 grand. I'm a 20 pound. Everybody get. Do what?
10,000.
Oh, 10,000.
That don't have the best of buckets, does it?
11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000. I'm 14, 15. Anybody get 14, 15 pound? Anybody get 15? I'm a
4,200 hours.
There you go. I'm a 15 pound. Anybody get 14? Now 15 pound. Anybody get 14, 5. Donnie, you want in there 14, 5. I'm a 14. Anybody get 5 by the bid. I'm a 14.
Must have been repainted a time or two.
14, 5. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 14, 5. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 14, 5. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 14. Anybody get 5. Anybody get 5 where? I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 250. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 2. Anybody get 2 and a half. Anybody got you at 14,000 2 and a half. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 250. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 2. Anybody get 2 and a half. Anybody get 14 pound. Anybody get 250. Now 14, 5. 14, 2 and a half. 14, 5. I'm a 14, 5 by the bid. I'm a 14, 5. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 14, 5. I'm a 14, 2 and a half. 14, 5. I'm a 14, 2 and a half. 14, 5 by the bid. Anybody get 2 and a half. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 14, 5. I'm on the internet at 14, 2 and a half. 14, 5. I'm a 14, 2 and a half. 14, 5 by the bid. Anybody get 2 and a half. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 14, 5. Anybody else? Sold it on the internet. 14,250. 14,250 on the internet. Bid number is 1002. All right, now we're internet 43. Internet 43. Hand controls. I think this one has 2-speed, doesn't it? Also 2-speed. Also 218 right here. Oh my! Look at there. Somebody get 15,000. I'm a 15 pound. Everybody get 10,000. I'm a 10 pound. Everybody get 10. 10 5. I'm a 10 5. 11 11. Everybody get 11. What's the hours on it, Craig? 47.
48.21. 48.21.
48.21 hours. What do I got? 10 grand? 10 5. I'm at 10 5. 11,000. I'm 11 11 5 now. 12 12 5. I'm a 13. Anybody get 13? Appreciate 13. You're not in. I'm a 13 pound. Anybody get 13? I'm a 12 5. Anybody get 13? I'm a 13 pound. Anybody get 13? Anybody get 13,000? I'm a 12 5 now. 13. Anybody get 13 pounds? Anybody get 13 pounds? Anybody get 13? I'm a 13 pound. 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 Anybody get 12 5. Anybody get 13? No 5. I'm a 13 5. 13 5. 14. I'm a 14 pound. Anybody get 14? Dave, you went in there 14,000. I'm a 13 7 and 14,000 5. 14 5. 15,000. 15 5. I'm a 15 5. 16. I'm a 16 pound. Anybody get 5. Now 17. I'm a 17 pound. Anybody get 17? Anybody get 17? 16 5. I'm a 16 5 by the bid. I'm a 16 5. Anybody get 5? Anybody get 16? 16 5. I'm a 16 5 by the bid. I'm a 16 pound. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 16 5. 17. I'm a 17 5. I'm a 17. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 17. Anybody get 500. Anybody get 17 5. I'm a 17 5 by the bid. Anybody get 15. Anybody get now 17 5. Anybody get now 15 5. Anybody get 17 pound. Anybody get 16 5. 17,000. You want to do it? Sold it, Scott. 16 5. You got a good one. 84 the buyer. 84. This one's got 37. 37 something on it.
I don't know how to do it. Shut the key
Turn
off.
it-
Man.
yeah, it'll come up. That's good, Marianne, right there. What was your bid number again, Scott?
64. 84.
84. 84. Bidder number 84. Consigner number internet is 44. This is a foot control. Now, I will tell on myself a little bit on this machine. I am a foot control person. Everything, these mowers and all this stuff has been here for like 3 weeks. I've been running this skid loader about every day. This thing, she's good, she's tight, she's every 3,700 and some hours. Somebody get 20 grand. I'm a 20 pound daddy. Thank you. 12, 13. I'm a 13 pound daddy. 14, 15, 16. I'm a 16, set 16, 5, 17, daddy. Now 5. I'm a 17, 5, 5, daddy. 17, daddy. 500, daddy. 17, 5. I'm a 2.5, 17, 5. Mike, 17, 2.5, 5, 75, 7.5. I'm a 17, 5, 7.5. I'm a 17, 5, daddy. 7.5. I'm at 17, 7.5. I'm 5, 7.5. I'm at 17, 5, 17, 7.5. I'm at 500, 7.5. 17, 5, 7.5. I'm at 17, 5, 7.5. I'm at 17, 5, 7.5. Do you want to do it? All in and all done? Sold it. 17.5. Bidder 29. The buyer 29. Hey, Mike. That's good. All right. No title on the horse show. Somebody get 2,000. I'm a 2,000. Give 1,000. I'm a pound to bid. I'm a pound to bid. 500, 600, 700, 800, $900,000, 11, 12, 13. I'm at 14, 15, 17 and a half now. 2. I'm a 2,000. 2 to bid. 18, 1800, 1900, 19, 18, 19, 2. I'm a 2,000. 21. I'm a 21. 21. I'm a 2,000. 21. 21. I'm a 21. Shows you how much I know. 21. I'm a 2,000. 21. I'm a 2,000. 21. Yes. Now 2, 22, 21 and a half. You want to do that? 21 and a half. I'm a 21, 1 and a half. I'm a 21, 1 and a half. 21 and a half. Now 2. I'm a 22, 22. Sold it. 21.50. 21.50.
153.
153. 153. Hey, did he talk 100, 600? I'm at 500. 600. 500. 600. 500. 600. I'm at 500. 600. Now 600. Now what do you want to do? 500. 400. Now that even 400. 400. The cock shut. Yeah. 500. 600. I'm at 500. 600. Now 600.
Yeah!
600 now 7, 7, 8. I'm at 800. 800. 800. Cock shut. 800. It does not run. $800. I'm at 800.
Quarter. 7 and a quarter.
7 quarters. 7.5. Now 800. 775. Do you want to do that? 775. I'm at 7 and a quarter. 7.5. Do you want to get 7.5?
7.5.
You said 7 and a quarter, right?
Yes,
7
yes.
quarter, 7.5. 7.5. I'll tell you what. Look at the paint job on it though. 7.5. I'm at 7 and a quarter. 7.5. I'm at 7 and a quarter. 7.5. 7 and a half. 7 and a quarter. 7.5. Sold it for 7 and a quarter.
184.
184. The buyer. 184. Now there's a white Ford pickup truck sitting back.
I bought a lawnmower when I wasn't looking. Video.
Hi!
You don't see these things every day. Ew, better look them over good.